Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lena Kessler here, and it is time for another paper perk. We are already at paper perk number 86, and we continue with our multi-week project. We're making something new or something addition for the journal that we're making every week with a new printable. So today we have the pockets and the journaling cards and the little belly bands, or they can also be pockets, with the same theme as we've been working on with the journal. This is what we made last week and the week before. These are the pages. Remember, we still have to hide my little mistake, and we're going to add all of this to the journal today. And our Ko-fi supporters, the one-off and the monthly supporters, get an extra page with all these words that of course go with the theme of the butterflies. Have little words here and fun quotes like, "The sky is yours if you dare to leave your cage. Your wings already exist, all you have to do is fly," and so on. So go ahead and grab it in the Ko-fi gallery. So today we are filling up the pages with some pockets and journaling cards. Let's get started. So I've already cut all the journaling cards and the pockets and everything, and I'm just going to add it to my journal. Okay. So these are the side pocket. I'm only applying glue to the side and the bottom. And then attaching it. Now here we need to hide this, right? So let's create another pocket. We can create just a top loading pocket, meaning applying glue on the sides, oops, and the bottom. And then aligning it. And now nobody knows you made a mistake, right? Let's add another pocket. So of course you can also have you can print it multiple times, and these can be they can also be pockets if you want. Let's put one on this side, and then finally on this one on here. You can just play with it any way that you want. And then let's add another pocket here. And now we can add our journaling cards. Of course you can print more, and our journal is taking shape. We are going to finish it next week. Go ahead to the Facebook group to download this week's paper perk, and thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.